going to tell you some facts about COVID-19 infection in children this time. This time the total number of the children infected has increased a lot, and probably this is a reverse trend what we saw in the March 2020. This time the infection in children is the first to occur. Even the family members are getting affected later and children have become super spreaders. This is a reverse trend in children that we are seeing this time. अगर घर में किसी भी बच्चे को बुखार है, सर्दी खांसी है और घर में रिसेंटली कोई भी फैमिली मेंबर को कोविड हुआ है या अभी सफरर है, तो डेफिनेटली दैट फीवर हैज टू बी इवैल्यूएटेड फॉर कोविड इन्फेक्शन. Even the doctors, they take every fever in a child in a COVID positive contact to be COVID until and unless proved otherwise. Like any other viral infection, cough, cold, fever and body ache, myalgia, headache, these are the common symptoms of the corona infection even in the children this time. But the major change that we are observing this time, that the children are coming with more commonly the GI symptoms. They are coming with pain in abdomen, loose motion, vomiting, red eye, sometimes they may even develop rash. So these are also the manifestations of COVID-19 infection in children in the second wave this time. We need to test the child for coronavirus disease if the family members are positive, if the child is symptomatic, or if any child who is having fever that continues beyond 3 days. The preferred testing in COVID virus infection in children is again RT-PCR, and rapid antigen test can be used as a second option. A positive antigen test is confirmatory. However, a negative test always needs a confirmation by PCR. Chest CT scan is not routinely indicated in COVID-19 in children, and definitely it should only be done when you have been recommended by your doctor. Don't get the CT scan chest of your child done instead of getting the other investigations like RT-PCR if the child is symptomatic. CT scan chest has a very limited role as a modality of investigation in children. ये मेरी आप सब से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर कोविड इन्फेक्शन बच्चों में देखा जाता है तो पैनिक ना करें, बिकॉज ऑलमोस्ट 60 to 70% ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन दे आर एसिम्टोमेटिक. उनमें बहुत ही माइल्ड लक्षण होंगे या एसिम्टोमेटिक भी वो हो सकते हैं. बहुत ही कम ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनको सीरियस डिजीज डेवलप होती है, क्योंकि यह जो सीरियस इलनेस है यह बच्चों में लेस कॉमन है देन द एडल्ट्स एंड एल्डरली. और जितने भी अफेक्टेड बच्चे हैं उसमें से हार्डली 1 to 2% जो है उनमें को ही आईसीयू का ट्रीटमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो यह नंबर एडल्ट से डेफिनेटली बहुत लेस है. बट हमें ये ध्यान देना है कि हमें गंभीर लक्षणों को पहचानना है और जब ज़रूरत हो तभी हॉस्पिटलाइज आपके जो ट्रीटिंग डॉक्टर्स हैं वो आपको बताएंगे. उस कंडीशन में ही बच्चे को हॉस्पिटलाइज करना है, जैसा कि हम रूटीन में देखते हैं कि हाइड्रोक्सीक्लोरोक्वीन, आइवरमेक्टिन, डॉक्सीसाइक्लिन, ये सब दवाइयों का बच्चों में उपयोग नहीं करना है. So always with the mild symptoms, you have to record the body temperature. Take your SpO2 monitoring every 6 hourly. If you have a fever which is more than 100 degree Fahrenheit, you have to give the whatever paracetamol you have at the 10 to 15 milligram per kg per dose. Child should be given plenty of oral liquids, should be given soft and light diet, maintain hygiene. One may give vitamins C and zinc to boost the overall health and immunity. This is all the mild symptomatic treatment required for the mild infection at home. There is, again I am repeating, there is no role of hydroxychloroquine, doxycycline or ivermectin in children. You need to remember the 5 danger signs and symptoms in the children who are being monitored at home. Any child who is having fever that is lasting beyond 5 days, if the child is not accepting orally, child is becoming dull, lethargic, not taking well, have a rapid breathing, or if your the oxygen saturation on pulse oximeter is less than 95% in home, and ensure that you have a proper recording and a good displayed waves. In such situation, you need to rush to your child to the facility with the COVID care. Like in any other infection, prevention is better than cure, and prevention is only possible by following the strict rules of SMS. SMS is sanitize, wear mask and social distancing. The same has to be taught to every children of the family. The drugs like steroids, antiviral, tocilizumab, etc., they have very limited utility in childhood COVID patients. They are particularly used only in the serious patients, usually in ICU, and particularly there are very few children who need them. So please don't rush after these medicines. These has to be decided by your treating doctor in ICU when this when these drugs will be used in the children. कोविड-19 इन्फेक्शन से संबंधित बच्चों के बारे में कोई भी जानकारी लेना हो या आपके मन में कोई भी क्वेरीज हो तो आप पेटल्स चिल्ड्रन हॉस्पिटल की वेबसाइट पे या हमारे टेली कंसल्टेशन नंबर पर ज़रूर बात कर सकते हैं. मेरी ये सलाह है, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय डियर पेरेंट्स, दैट प्लीज़ डोंट गेट स्केयरी. बच्चों में अगर इन्फेक्शन पाया जाता है तो उसे डरिए मत. प्रिवेंशन इज़ बेटर देन क्योर. Follow SMS and always remember danger signs. Don't take the treatment of the adults prescribed to your children. And stay safe, stay happy.